hope you're well, hope you're good, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I have heard that Fashionova jeans are the best for curvy girls, so I was in need of some jeans anyway, and I ordered a couple off their website. So I thought to do this video to show you guys what I got, and also for you to see if it passes the curvy girl bent over squat test. I think all girls know what I mean when I say that. You know, when even when you're wearing a belt, and you know you sit down or you bend over, and then you know your knickers just pop out just to say hello. You know when they just pop out of nowhere and just say hello. Yeah. So I think all of these girls know. I think all girls know what I'm talking about. So we're going to see if these Fashionova jeans pass that test. If they do, that's great. So we'll see what happens. So give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also comment below. Tell me if you've ordered any Fashionova jeans in the past. Tell me what you think of it. I mean, say something, talk to me. And if you haven't already, please do not forget to subscribe. Like it encourages me to do this sort of videos and show you guys anything that you want. So talk to me, say something. Don't be shy. Yeah? Anyway, enjoy this video.